So if you're running a subscription business, you are losing huge chunks of your customers every single month due to cancellations. And here's the brutal truth. Most of those cancellations are decided and lost in a 10-second window right when someone clicks that cancellation button. But what if I told you there's a new feature that convinced 30% of those subscribers to stick around and keep paying you? And across all of SamCart customers, this brand new subscription retention feature is projected to save almost $900,000 every single month in recurring revenue. And in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly how it works, the psychology behind why it's so effective, and how you can set it up and start saving big dollars in just a few minutes. New retention offers fills the gap of what most subscription businesses completely miss about the cancellation process. Let's see it together and dive in. All right, so SamCart has this feature called Customer Portal. And basically, when your customers look at your receipt, they can come down here and click to view your customer portal. And it's a really, really simple thing. They just drop in their email address. SamCart sends them a magic link. And like that, your customers are sitting in your customer portal where they can see all of their payment history. They can come over here to click and download old invoices if they need to submit receipts, or you can come to the subscriptions tab and see any of your current or former subscriptions that you might have active. As of right now, you can choose to let your customers handle their own subscription cancellation. So a customer can come down here, click on cancel subscription, confirm, and just like that, without you and your team needing to lift a finger, someone can cancel and do this themselves, saving your team time and effort. However, what if you wanted to be a little smarter? Right? What if instead of just letting someone cancel, you wanted a shot to keep them around as a customer? That is where the new retention offers feature comes into play. And here is how you turn it on. From any SamCart dashboard, you're going to come down to the apps library. And then we can come down here and just look at Customer Portal as one of these apps. The Customer Portal is managed right here. You could choose to turn off the Customer Portal if you don't want to use it at all. But what we need to do is come down to subscription settings and toggle self-cancellation on. You can see I already have it on for this marketplace. And so what I can do here is set up my first retention offer. And so a retention offer is basically a coupon code that you can apply to one product, multiple products, or every single subscription product you have. And what it's going to do is give your customers a discount in exchange for sticking around. So let's set this up. Here you'll see an internal label for this coupon. You can change it, you can leave it, your customers never see it. Don't need to worry about it. You can choose to have it apply to all of your subscription products or even just specific subscription products. And so if I came in here and said, I want to look for my Inside Scoop quarterly discount, I could say only apply to this product or only apply to the quarterly and annual products. You guys get what I'm saying. For the purposes of the demo, I'm just going to have one retention offer that applies to everything. And then you choose your discount. Is it a percentage off or a flat rate? So $100 off or 25%. I'll go ahead and just do 20%. And then is it have a redemption limit? Does it only apply to the next couple charges, or do you want it to have no limit and apply forever and ever and ever, right? I'll say, let's leave a redemption limit of 2. So this redemption offer right here is going to take off 20% for the next 2 payments. And then all I got to do is come down here and click on create. And just like that, my first retention offer is done and it's live. If I go back over to that customer portal and I refresh this page, as a customer, the next customer that goes to cancel a subscription is going to see this retention offer right here, offering them 20% off for the next 2 payments. And that customer accepts that discount. They can see their brand new price. They can see when it might go back up to full price, but that customer has been retained. The best part about retention offers is that it is smart. It gives people the right offer at the right time to maximize your savings. You can create unlimited retention offers. Create a customized discount plan for your annual subscriptions versus your monthly subscriptions. Give people a completely free month of service, or give them a discount that's going to follow them for as long as they want to stick around inside of your membership. But the point is, retention offers is going to save you money right now and every month as long as that person sticks around. Retention offers literally saves you money while you sleep. Set this up one time in about 5 minutes and it's going to work around the clock automatically rescuing revenue that would have walked out your front door forever. No ongoing maintenance, no constant monitoring, just pure profit by reducing subscription churn. And here's the best part. This is just one feature of many that SamCart has that's built to squeeze every ounce of profit from all the touch points you have with your customers. We're talking about maximizing revenue at checkout, while they're going through your products, at renewal time, and yes, now, even when they're trying to leave. If you're serious about growing your subscription business and keeping more of the revenue you've already earned, you need to check out SamCart. There's a link in the description down below where you can get started for free. And probably right now, we'll put a link to somewhere else where you can go learn about another profit boosting strategy that you should implement in the next couple minutes.